Give God thanks. Yeah, man. And as we listen to the waves smashing and dashing against the rocks. Yeah. You know what I mean? We're hoping to see a nice whale jumping up and down or a dolphin taking a big flip or something. Didn't see anything like that. But that's how it is. This is a beach town and we'll you know, Spotty James, Ultra TV. For real. Yeah. So sometimes you look at this, you realize how great God is, because if you put a boat here and it has the capability, I will be able to pull up on the shores in Ochoas. You understand? So even though we are thousands of miles away, but God is great, because this water, you can go in this water and with the right amount of petrol, you'll find yourself right in Ochoas. So we give God thanks for that, you know? So checking out the thing, and we're gonna go to another side of the beach shortly, because there's quite a few beaches here and stuff. So yeah, man, big up yourself and thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you all for watching, and you know, hope you enjoy the views. For real. Yeah, enough respect. Spotty James, Ultra TV, live in SOSUA, Dominican Republic. Enough respect.